How many clients of yours are women? I mean, what is your percentage like? Is it more men?
Of course, it's more men, which is not a very, which is unfortunate in our country, because ऐसा नहीं कि खाली men पैसा कमा रहे हैं, women also earning money. But in all our conversations, we ask men, please get your spouse in the first meeting. It's very important, because as a man, if you're coming, then we are discussing only your goals. We are not discussing your wife goals. We are not discussing our goals. You have a family. And secondly, you are earning everything for the family. I know it's all with good intent. All of us are earning for our family only. But if your family is not involved, and if something were to happen to you, how do they come to know? उनको पता ही नहीं होगा मैं कौन हूँ, right? Why don't you get your family? But कितना भी समझा दे, still 50% people don't get it. बोलते नहीं 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 मैं सब संभाल लूंगा, मैं कर लूंगा. Maybe this overconfidence, bias kind of thing. But we believe that today women has to be very actively involved. और ये जो भी हमने बातें की है, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. इट्स सिंपल इजी. इनफैक्ट इफ इट बिकम्स अ फैमिली गोल, फैमिली विल कमिट टू इट. टुडे यू एंड शैलिन बोथ डिस्कस, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होता कि मैं खाली आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ या शैलिन से. इट्स बोथ. इट्स अ फैमिली गोल फॉर योर चिल्ड्रंस प्लानिंग, फॉर एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू. एंड I will get your perspective, I'll get Shailin's, and then I have to make sure we are all on the same page. अगर आप इस तरफ जा रहे हो, वो इस तरफ जा रहे हैं ना, तो it will become very difficult. I have to bring you both on the same page. It becomes family's goals. So women has to be involved in this. And जितना जितना जल्दी आप करोगे, उतना it will give you confidence. Today I can see you as a confident because you don't have to worry about money. In 5-10 years it will create wealth. Compounding will happen with you, right? It's just that you have to be there. One day my dream is, can I inspire 1 billion people through this story? पहले millions था, right? But अब story का power पता चलता है कि story has immense power. True stories can travel like anything. So if this true story can inspire 1 billion people, this life would have been a great life. And it's not for money. It's beyond upon, neither you're doing for money nor I'm doing for money. Neither you're doing for fame. It's about giving back to society. Everything I've got is from this city, wonderful city of Mumbai, right? I was nothing. Everything I've got is because of this wonderful profession. And that is why, to me, this is a very noble profession. Many people say, see, अगर 3 साल में आपने मैंने काम किया, forget returns. If by doing this, if it has brought in a lot of confidence in you, my job is done.
It's a job well done. Absolutely.
Agree? I have brought confidence in someone's life. कि
Absolutely.
you are so confident about your own well-being. So then it is done. ये returns 14 आया कि 16 आया, 18 doesn't.
It's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant. Today, if you're able to buy your own house with the money you have saved and this thing, that's the smile I can see on your face, right? So what I've done, let's say with you, और अभी तो बहुत छोटा सा काम किया आपके लिए, it's a long way to go to help you achieve many more dreams in life. Can this be done with lakhs of people, men, women,
Absolutely.
whosoever? See, finally it is हम सब अपने लिए तो सब करते हैं. But if you're able to do this for others, before this business I was in my family business. Every business makes money, right? पैसा बनाना खराब नहीं है. But if in that business, if you're working in that business only for money, it's a very bad idea. But if it is your ikigai, which is what the world needs, what you're good at, and what you can be paid for.
But for people to be able to find that is not always the easiest.
It's never easy. How do you find a good doctor? Right? It's never easy. How do you reach out to me? It's word of mouth. In our business also, it's only word of mouth. And we would want that way. Because, somebody who comes from word of mouth, you also enjoy advising that person. Because that person has come through right source. So it's, as I said, beyond a point, you want the power of your work to travel.
Yeah.
The trust. And this business is all about trust. Right? So बस वही simple तरीके से काम करना है. Through your story, how many stories you can inspire. And idea is, can you create many more idiots in the future?
Yeah.
So this Rolls Royce and everything is just this thing. I'm not a car fan. I'm not going to drive. I don't have a car today also. I come in a public transport or Uber or whatever. I'm okay. See, for me, 100 crores is not a status symbol. it is just to prove a point कि पैसा बन सकता है, even a common person can think of, और simple तरीके से बन सकता है, SIP करके बन सकता है. You don't need to know stocks. See, I'm a CFA, charter holder, right? आप बोलते हैं गजेंद्र आई तो ठीक है, आई एम इनटू फैशन एंड दिस थिंग, मुझे नहीं, बट आप क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो स्टॉक? अगर मेरे म्यूचुअल फंड्स मुझे 15-18% दे सकते हैं, व्हाई गो बिकम ग्रेडी? So the game that I've understood is the power of compounding by having slow returns for the longest period of time.
And with discipline.
And with discipline. Focus and discipline is what has kept me going this far. And that is why nothing shakes me today. Whether markets are up 30% or 40% down, up, it doesn't, I don't get bothered also. I can go for 3-month holidays and not even look at it. So I'm very happy in life. I know my goals, priorities very clear. See, first thing is to get clarity in life. That is very important. Clarity about what you want in life from yourself and about money related stuff also. If you keep moving things, you will not be happy. So yeah, so this is what it is for me.